Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. It is me. Just kidding. It's Harley from the Fran Play and welcome back to another episode of Python Learning for Beginners. As I'm a beginner myself, we are going to be going through every single thing that the W3 Schools has to offer us. And then once we complete this, I do have some other stuff we can go through as well. We are currently 12% done. So congrats to you and to us, all of us. We are getting pretty far. Those of you following along, I appreciate you staying tuned and going through this journey with me. Thank you so much. Those of you that just stopped to view but don't hang on, you should hit that subscribe button. It wouldn't hurt you. I'm just playing. I mean, or am I? Also, leave a like, and if you enjoy these videos, also leave a like. If you don't like it, tell me why. But let's go ahead and continue. So, where we last left off, we were talking about string methods, because before we were doing escape characters, right? So they have all different kinds. So you got single quotes, you can do that. Backslash, you can do 2 lines. A new line using backslash n, and then backslash r is carriage return, which is it said something about how, like, on a typewriter type of deal. I'd have to look at it again. Okay, well, come on, let's just keep going through. Eventually we'll get to those kind of things. And okay, so these are the string methods. You got capitalize, converts to uppercase. Case fold, converts string to lowercase. And I learned something today. So case fold, so when you're converting it to lowercase, because there's also a lower, where's it at? I can't read, can I? I'm looking too far. No, HIJKLMNO. Oh, here it is. I don't know why I was blending on so much. So this is lower, right? Converts a string into lowercase. So casefold does the same thing, but casefold is like an advanced method, and pretty much what it does is, like, for other languages. So in the example that I read, it was like the German letter for S or whatever it is, and then the lowercase letter, and then if you use casefold, it even does an even lower characterization of it. And then center returns a centered string. Count returns the number of times the specified value occurs in a string. Encode returns an encoded version of the string. We'll learn more about that later, I'm sure. Or we can look it up right now. Definition and usage. The encode method encodes the string using a specified encoding. If no encoding is specified, UTF-8 will be used. Okay, so whenever we have any, like, type of encoding, that's what we'll use. Encodes the string. Ends with returns true if the string ends with the specified value. So we can put, like, I don't know, call a variable in there. I guess what I could do, right? We can do an example of that one. Let's do that. So let's have a close. Let's do text, and let's just say, how was your day? And then we're gonna put we'll do ending ends with question mark. Okay, hold on. What's the case usage for that? Text that ends with, okay, gotcha. So you call it in a different way. So you can do like text dot ends with, and then print ending, and now let's run it. Should work. No. Oh, quotation marks. Duh. Okay, now let's run it. True. There we go. So we'll check if the ending of text ends with question mark. So that's a way to use it. That's pretty neat. I like that. Oh, oops, wrong thing. Okay. So let's what other ones do we got? Oh, went too far. Okay, so we got expands tabs, sets the tab size of the string. So we got set the tab size to 2 white spaces. So sets the tab size to specified number of white spaces. White spaces. So I haven't learned about white spaces yet. I mean, oh, you know what? I did. I'm lying. It was the spaces at the end of each line and how to get rid of them. Okay, so we'll have to go back and look at that later. I should be at least rereading through some, at least like terminology when I can, like definitions and stuff. Okay, so we got find, searches a string for a specified value and returns a position to where it was found. Format specified values in a string. So let me see, what is this? Searches a string for a specified value and returns a position of where it was found. So would it syntax string.find value start end. Value is required, the value first to search for. Start where to start the search. Default is 0. Okay. E510. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's a 5 and 10. Okay, so let's test this one. So it gives us an index of 1. So right there, H is 0, E is 1. Okay, cool. So it just does that for us. I guess we'll be able to use that later to like find certain things maybe. Format specified values in strings. Format specified values in a string. Format specified values. Okay, so format price equals 49. So price $2F. Let's see what that does. What does the 2F mean? .2F. I guess that's 2 decimal points, but what does the F stand for? Cool. Okay, hopefully we'll be able to get to more of those. Definition and usage. The format method formats specified values and inserts them inside the string's placeholder. The placeholder is defined using curly brackets. Read more about the placeholders in the placeholder section below. The format method returns a formatted string. So we know what placeholders are now, right? We did that in a previous one. So fname, right? So we're able to format the text on the go instead of having to how we added it last time. And then format map. So it does the same thing, but it doesn't have a definition. So let's see what this does. What is format map in Python? So it works for dictionaries. So print format point. So 4 -5. Oh, okay. The format mapping is similar to string.format mapping method. The only difference is that the string.format double asterisk mapping copies a dictionary, whereas the string.format mapping makes a new dictionary during a method call. This can be useful if you are working with a dictionary subclass. Okay, so the syntax format map is string.format mapping, and then map parameter format underscore map takes a single argument of mapping, which would be the dictionary. Return value format map formats the given string and returns it. So we got point, right? Print, and same thing with this one, format. Cool. Okay. So it's just a way to map things out into placeholders. Okay, so it's just a way to map things into placeholders. Okay, gotcha. Okay, we're learning a lot. Cool. Okay, so index searches a string for a specified value and returns the position of where it is found. So we can find like the index of a certain letter. So like this one, print index of text, or actually, would that work like that? Oh, hold on. Maybe we have to. Oh, did not. Oh man, I did not mean to do that. Okay. That is not what I meant. Oh, would that work? Text.print index of h? No? Okay. So print text.index h. That would work, right? Haha. Okay, cool. And then what about if we wanted the letter D? 13. I like that. That is neat. Okay. So is all numbers. Okay, I think that's what it means. Is all numbers. It returns true if all characters in the string are alphanumeric. So it'll tell us if. Oh, alphanumeric. Okay. So text is alphanumeric. True. So it's saying it's counting these as numeric values in there, right? So we'll see what happens if we run it again. Okay, wait. Oh, okay. So let's meaning alphabet A through Z and numbers. So alphanumeric is any characters. Okay. Whoops. I should have known that. Characters as letters and numbers, not special characters like these. Okay. Is alpha true if all are in the alphabet? Returns true if all characters in the string are ASCII characters. I don't know what ASCII characters are. Let's look at what that is. ASCII characters. So there we go. Oh. So that would still count, because all of these are part of the ASCII characters, I guess. Or this will probably be better. So we got decimal, hexadecimal, or hex values, characters, null, start of heading, start of text, decimal, hex. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. These are all of the. Gotcha. So starting at 0 is null, 1 is start of heading, 2, so on and so on. Or if there's any developers here, please correct me if I'm wrong. I'm still learning, okay? Is decimal returns if all characters in the string are decimals. So to be false because it's true. Oh. 0 through 9 is counted as decimal. Interesting. Okay. And this will be false because there's a decimal value. That's weird to me. I'm sorry. Didn't mean to yawn like that. Okay. Man, there's a lot of methods in here. Okay. Is digit returns true if all characters in the string are digits? And what is classified as a digit? Method returns true if all characters are digits, otherwise false. Exponents like 2 are also considered to be digit. Okay, gotcha. Excuse me, I'm getting tired. We'll read through a little bit more, and then we'll kind of... We just know that... I know I've gone through a lot, but just know that all of these are methods that we can use. Returns left justified version of the string, joins the elements of an... Like, this is a lot of definitions here. Man, I want to go straight to booleans, but I think these are important. It's like, let's have this one open. Let's go to string exercises. Alright, let's try it. Because we've only done... Yeah. So, print x. Oh. Use the length method to print the length. Okay, so I know that one. Text hello world. Get the first character of the string. So, find... Oh. Text set 0, I think. Yep, okay. Get the characters from index 2. Text. So from index 2 to index 4. Nice. Okay. Return the string without any white spaces. Ooh. Good one. Strip. Strip is to remove the white spaces. Gotcha. Okay. Oh, wait. Oh. Whoops. Didn't mean to do that. I got too excited. Okay, there we go. Oh, I didn't do Python syntax? Okay, hold on. We'll finish on strings. Convert the value of text to uppercase. So... Right? Yeah. Convert the value of text to lowercase. Nice. Okay. Replace the character H with a J. Okay, so replace method. And your first, what you're finding, and then what you're replacing it with. Okay. And insert the correct syntax to add a placeholder for the age parameter. Oh, it's a placeholder. Good stuff, guys. Okay, let's check out syntax exercise. I thought I did this. And insert the missing indentation. Gotcha. See what we know about booleans. The statement below should print a Boolean value. Which one? 10 is greater than 9. True. True. Whoops. I was like, there's no way. The statement below would print the following value. Which one? False. Okay. The statement below would print a Boolean value. Which one? 10 is true. No, wait, sorry. 10 is less than 9. Oops, false. I don't know what I was thinking there for a second. Excuse me. The statement below would print a Boolean value. Which one? Print bool ABC. What would that do? I know I should probably just go through it and read it, but what would that do? Print bool of ABC. True. I wonder why. But we know it'll be true. So we're not going to finish that exercise because we need to go read through the rest of everything. But where's that? Oh, Python booleans. Okay. So anyway, thank you guys so much for tuning in today, and we might not do another one tonight. I'm getting a little sleepy, but I'm gonna try to do another one tomorrow. Actually, I'm gonna try to do more than one tomorrow. Today was just one of those days, but appreciate everyone tuning in. Thank you so much, and everyone have a good night. Love you guys. Oh, and one more thing before you guys go, if you made it this far in the video, thank you so much. Appreciate you tuning in. It means a lot, and to know that I have just a few people coming to tag along with me on this journey, it means more than you can know. I feel less alone on the journey, at least. Alright, well, thank you guys so much. I'll talk to you in the next one. Later.